Hello and welcome to week 14 of Jory Caron Acquires a Taste for Baby Carrots. It's been rough so far, but I think this is the week we battle and win against this carrot catastrophe. Oh yeah, it's hard to do, but you can do it. You don't even need no ranch dressing, am I right? I'm just kidding.
April Fools.
I'm just kidding. We got another episode of Persimmon Challenge. That's what we can do from now on. Guys, I'm gonna do your old standby. I'm gonna do VEDA. I'm gonna do a video every day in April. We're gonna bring you the most beautiful Persimmon Challenge videos you can muster. Having the carrots in there to help with this doesn't help with this. You would think it would, but nope. A lot of you have been asking in the comments, Jory, in all reality, has it been getting easier? Yes and no. I feel like, no, mostly no, but no. It has been getting a little bit easier. I do actually like the taste a little bit more. It's a hard pill to swallow, you know? I feel like I'm the only one who has trouble eating persimmons because everyone at that party loved them. And I just really don't.
Jory